Hello everyone. Today we'll see the syllabus offered by RGPV in soft computing. We have five units. We'll see in first unit mainly three topics. First is introduction, application, and classification of soft computing. We'll talk about what exactly soft computing is, what are the major areas where soft computing is being used, what are the different techniques in soft computing. Then we will see structure and functioning of biological uh, brain and neuron, and also the concept of learning, how exactly our brain learns from our real-time experiences. So why are we learning it? Because this is how our soft computing part is also working. We'll see also about artificial neuron, and then we'll talk about activation function, perceptron learning model, binary and continuous inputs, and then finally linear separability. This is all the first unit topic. In second unit, we have to talk about multi-layer neural networks. We have studied about a single layer neural network previously in our 10th semester. We had machine learning as our optional subject. If not, then no worries. We'll talk about three major topics also into this unit. First one is feed-forward network, where we have various subtopics like significance of feed-forward network, training, loss function, backpropagation algorithm, convergence and generalization, momentum and applications. The second topic is feedback network. It's the opposite of feed forward network, as it seems like, what we'll see once what exactly it is, then we'll come to know about what feedback network is. Then we have lastly introduction to convolutional neural network and recurrent neural network. These two are the parts of ANN, that is the artificial neural network. In third unit, we have fuzzy system. Fuzzy system is something that is used to solve the soft computing problems. So how we will see how any system which uses fuzzy logic is called as fuzzy system. So we will see how fuzzy logic or fuzzy system is different than our classical set problems. In this, we have various subtopics like fuzzy set theory, fuzzy sets and operations, what exactly membership function it is, then concept of fuzzy relations, their composition, concept of fuzzy measures. Then we'll see what are the rules of fuzzy and what is inference engine. Then we'll talk about what is the control system of fuzzy, and then how do we select a membership function, what is fuzzification and defuzzification. Of course, both of these are fuzzification and defuzzification are a reverse process to each other. Then in fourth unit, we'll talk about genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is obvious for us to understand so that we can how exactly our humans understand thing, how their genetics work, so that our soft computing systems can mimic human behavior and create a perfect model that can solve nearly accurate solutions, that can give accurate solutions. Then in fifth unit, we'll talk, then we have a generation cycle and convergence of genetic algorithm. Then what are the major areas where genetic algorithm are being used? In final unit, that is advanced soft computing techniques, where we'll talk about, where we'll see rough set theory, that includes introduction of rough set theory, set approximation, rough membership, attributes, and optimization. The second important topic of this unit is SVM, support vector machine, that will again see the introduction of SVM, obtaining the optimal hyperplane, linear and non-linear SVM classifiers, and the last but not the least, the topic is swarm intelligence. This is a very new concept, exactly not new, but for us it's a new swarm intelligence, and their techniques are also unique, that is ant colony optimization, bee colony optimization, and particle swarm optimization. So we will not study these all topics into deep. We will only see all the topics that is essential for our upcoming universities exams. I hope most of us has not any preparation about it, and universities are committed to take the exam. So obviously we have to prepare ourselves for the exams. no matter whether exam is going to take place from 23rd or not, but we have to prepare ourselves. So we'll try my best, so I will try my best, or we will of course, with your contribution we can have insights about these all topics, and we will share our knowledge to each other. So you can write down below. So we'll hope I'll post the next video very soon. Thank you.